Hello, lovely. It's Dr. Purcell here. You're watching straight from the doctor's desk, where we talk about all things related to natural medicine when it comes to women's health and hormones. I am sharing a healthy and delicious recipe with you today, stuffed peppers. I recently made this recipe and my son looked at his plate. He looked at me and he said, "What's this?" And I replied, "Stuffed peppers, of course." So he was a good sport. He tried it, and to his surprise, he really liked it. Ate it all up and asked for seconds. So I'm sharing this recipe with you today because we all get into cooking rut. Just stuck with the same old recipes. It can become ho-hum, boring. We lose excitement for eating and cooking, and then we start to turn to convenience foods. So I'm here just to breathe some inspiration into your recipe box because the truth is cooking all the time can lead to burnout in the kitchen. But food is medicine, and it has the ability to lead us closer to health or closer to disease based on what we choose. So we have the power to influence our health every single day. But on those weeks when I'm feeling a negative vibe about cooking, I look for a new recipe that can inspire me, or I look in our freezer and see if there's anything there that I froze that we could have just to help me get out of my cooking rut. And I believe that we all have some really great recipes that maybe we forgot or we just haven't made in a while, kind of like this one that I'm sharing with you today. I totally forgot about stuffed peppers until I made them a few weeks ago. And apparently I hadn't made them in a very long time if my son didn't even know what they were. So stuffed peppers are a great way to get an extra serving of vegetables on your plate. The peppers take the place of a starchy carb. They provide a tasty alternative for just a lighter and a cleaner meal. Red bell peppers are high in vitamin C, vitamin A, and potassium. Peppers are low in calories and low in carbs. And the red pigment contains lycopene, which is important for cardiovascular health and prostate health in men. Red peppers also contain zeaxanthin, a nutrient important for our eye health and combating macular degeneration. So this is a satisfying replacement for the traditional sausage and peppers meal. Go ahead and give it a whirl and let me know what you think. Bon appetit.